I'm Veronica Perez from Cornucopia Foods, and I'm here to show you how to cook hot dogs on the George Foreman Grill. The ingredients you will need are olive oil, hot dogs, a pair of tongs, a brush, and of course your George Foreman Grill. The first thing you'll need to do is take some olive oil and brush them on your hot dogs. The reason I like to use olive oil on my hot dogs on the grill is so they won't stick and to give them that barbecued look. Next thing you'll need to do is take your tongs and place them. Close your lid and they should be ready in about 2 minutes. It's been about 2 minutes now, so let's remove the hot dogs from the grill. Take your tongs, lift up your lid, and remove your hot dogs from the grill, placing them on a platter. You can serve them in a hot dog bun or a wheat wrap for an alternative healthy meal. I'm Veronica Perez from Cornucopia Foods, and that's how you cook hot dogs on the George Foreman Grill.